Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Today I have a summer haul and try on. You guys, spring and summer clothes are my favorite. I like florals, I like maxi dresses. So today I'm going to show you guys a bunch of clothes that I got from Vici Collection. Thank you Vici Collection for all these pieces. This video is not sponsored, but like I mentioned, the clothing were gifted from the brand. So I'm so grateful. I think this is like my second video. I did a fall haul with them too. So let's get started. I've noticed as I get older, I am stuck on a certain style. Like no matter 10 years later, I'm still stuck on this style. And the style is like flowy. I like the bohemian, like boho, peasant top look. That's just the thing that I really like, and I've never gotten over that. And this is it. This black top. What do you guys think? I love it. It's like big and baby doll like, and I love the florals. So this is great. And I'm actually wearing jeans, some denim shorts with this right now, and I think it's perfect. It's nice and airy and cool for summer. So this is the first thing I wanted to share from Vici Collection. And then I found a longer version of it. Look at it. Oh my god, you guys, I love this. Like I see myself wearing some red lipstick, and maybe some jeans, but the ones like with rips on them, and then like some wedges. Ooh, somebody watch my kids. I'm ready for date night. But this is really cute, and this is not great for like a summer night because it's 3/4 sleeve. Ooh, I notice whenever I have white, the video changes, the coloring to, oh my gosh, I saw this and I had to get it. I'm typically a size small in everything, but they only had a medium available, and I was like, I don't care. I need this in my life. It's important to me. It says family over everything. Yes, you guys. I always say that, family over everything. Ever since I became a mother, like the idea of family, like just family over everything. That t-shirt is everything. So I had to get it, you guys. And that is big, right? So you can wear it like off the shoulder. It's something that I will probably most likely wear to the gym because I like loose tops at the gym, especially when I'm like on the elliptical. I just feel more comfortable when my clothes are kind of loose. You guys know that I'm a loosey outfit lady. I have been all about jumpsuits. And the problem with certain jumpsuits is that they're so long, and like if I get them hemmed, will I actually wear it? Or will I actually go and get them hemmed is the issue. So this was perfect because it's the perfect length. When I do try it on, you guys, I'm sorry, it's a little wrinkly looking right now. I need to get the steamer out and steam this baby. But it's so cute. I'm all about the jumpsuit, and it actually has real pockets and like little buttons that button up and down. And then this is a great layering piece. I have to wear a bandeau under. I'll probably wear a tank top under when I do a try on, or I'll just wear a strapless bra. But it's something that would be cuter with a bandeau, but it's just a lace white tank top, great for wearing with like denim shorts or anything or everything. Like you guys have better ideas on how to wear certain pieces than me, but it's so thin that I see myself wearing it at night, like to sleep in with some pajama shorts or something, or just like with layering, like with a cardigan or something like that. And then this spoke to me, you guys. It sure did. It's first of all, stripes. Like anything that stripes, my eyes go doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Like I don't know why. And then it says Happy Mama. Oh my gosh, that would be me. Happy Mama, but it needs to say Happy plus Tired Mama. But being a mom is such a blessing, and I have noticed like I love that, like that is part of my identity, part of who I am. So I wanted a tank top that said Happy Mama and then family over everything. I'm very like family oriented now. And well, I said now. I have been, but more so since having kids is what I'm trying to say. This actually is a long sleeve, but sometimes the Bay Area gets a little crazy with their weather. Sometimes it's super hot, and then sometimes it's 60 degrees. This would be great for a 60-degree day because it's a long sleeve floral. And since it's summer, even though it's 60 degrees out, why not wear floral, right? So I just thought this was so cute, and it has a knot in the front, and I like the length. Like I see myself wearing that with some white denim jeggings. Yes, that would be very cute. And then, oh my gosh, I have two other olive jackets, but I cannot stay away from olive jackets. I don't know why. This one I saw on the model and I was like, it's so cute, but do I need it? And I said, yes I do, yes I do. So I picked it out, and the reason why I like this olive jacket so much is because it's so lightweight. Like, it's not heavy. I have like a raincoat one that by Michael Kors. I have this heavier one from Stitch Fix, and then this one is the lightest olive jacket I have. So this is the summer jacket that you wear rolled up with a like a summer dress or something when it gets colder in the like at night or something. Yes, you guys, that's cute, right? And I'm all about the maxi life. Yes, I am. And I'm actually surprised because this maxi, I'm 5 feet tall, and this maxi is a perfect length. I think so. And I got a small. It looks like this. I love the embroidery and everything. The only issue with the size small is it's kind of tight on my rib cage. So if I got a medium, the length would be too long. So I just risked it. I was like, let me just get a small, and then I'll just wear like a really like thin bra or something so that like it doesn't fit so tight in the rib cage, you know? Yeah. And I'm all about plain like t-shirts. Like, I like t-shirts that have sayings on them. This one says Brooklyn Bridge, and I miss New York. I've only visited once or twice. I remember just once, and then we went to Jersey, and then we were gonna go to New York. Yeah, I think only once, and I really want to go back with my family. It was just so fun. So I don't know, I just wanted to get a t-shirt that said Brooklyn Bridge. And this tank top I actually wore the other day, and I love it. Look at the pom-poms. Oh my god, the pom-poms, the fringes, the white tank, it's loose. Oh my gosh, I am all about that. Like, that goes with everything. Like, I could wear it with so many different options, like shorts or pants. And then I didn't stop when it comes to like this peasant looking top. I had to get this one too. It's white, so it's not the colorful one, but it, you know, it still has that same effect. And I'm all about like that baby doll, loose and flowy. I love them all. So yeah, that is my haul, friends. If you guys enjoyed my haul, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what are your must-have pieces for the summer, because you guys got to teach me your ways. Tell me what you're wearing and all that. And if you guys want to check out Vici Collection, I'll link it below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!